Sugar waxing with honey. Skip store-bought wax and create a DIY solution using just sugar, honey, and lemon juice. Heat the ingredients to a paste-like consistency for an all-natural, cost-effective Brazilian wax alternative that's less painful and effective. Laser hair removal. Modern home devices provide an easy, safe solution for Brazilian hair removal. These handheld lasers target hair follicles to reduce regrowth, making future hair removal quicker and virtually painless. Epilation for smooth skin. Epilators are a great at-home solution that pulls hair from the root. They are easy to use, last longer than shaving, and deliver smooth results without the risks shaving with skincare. Choose high-quality razors, a calming shaving cream, or gels with soothing ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile. This helps to minimize irritation, leaving skin feeling fresh without the pain of waxing. Threading for precision. Traditionally used for eyebrows, threading can be an effective hair removal solution for Brazilian areas as well. Its precision allows for accurate hair removal without painful waxing. Natural coconut oil. After shaving or epilating, soothing your skin with coconut oil will provide nourishment and prevent irritation. It's a gentle alternative to waxing that provides smooth results and moisturizes the skin deeply. Exfoliation as a secret hack. Regularly exfoliating the bikini line with a natural scrub helps to prevent ingrown hairs and allows hair to be removed more effectively. During any hair removal procedure, aloe vera gel. Instead of resorting to harsh creams post-waxing, use aloe vera gel to calm your skin. It cools, soothes, and hydrates the skin after any hair removal technique to reduce redness and discomfort. Depilatory products. Try hair removal creams designed specifically for sensitive areas. These products dissolve hair at the skin's surface, eliminating the need for painful waxing sugar scrub residue. If you're struggling with sticky wax residue, a DIY sugar scrub made from sugar and coconut oil can gently remove waxy remnants without irritation while exfoliating dead skin cells. Numbing creams. If you prefer waxing but struggle with the pain, consider applying a numbing cream to the Brazilian area. It temporarily numbs the skin, reducing discomfort and pain during the process. Beeswax alternative. Unlike traditional hard waxes, beeswax is much gentler on the skin. It sticks to the hair more efficiently than the skin, reducing the chances of irritation and improving the removal process. Peach fuzz elimination. Dermaplaning tools can help to smoothen the Brazilian area, eliminating soft peach fuzz and other fine hair, leaving your skin velvety, smooth and soft, without the use of waxing. Cold wax strips for home use. Cold wax strips for easy application at home. These are pre-prepared and remove hair efficiently while being convenient for those who don't want to heat up wax themselves. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.